in the midst of my fruit tree unboxing videos, my season. And today is going to be fruit tree unboxing number 4. I don't know what it is. The only thing on it is a thing with my address on it. Nothing else. So I have to find out what it is once I get into the box. Now the thing is, I ordered different stuff. And I ordered other stuff other than trees and stuff. So I'm just hoping that it's something in there that's a tree or a plant. But if it's not, you're going to be seeing this video. You see this video? That means it's something green in here. Let's see. Finally got that part. Got the tape off. Now let's open it. Oh, it's got cotton balls. Not looking good. Oh, it got plastic. This might be not even a plant. That's smooth. Let me get the camera so I can show you guys inside the box. Okay, so they got it full of these. It is plants in here. Yay! 2 of them. Let's take them out. And then I'm gonna see if anything else. Oh, I feel another one. In here. Do I got some kind of information of what it is? Yes, right here. Okay, this is what's in there. I'm gonna take them out of the bag, but I just wanted to show you guys close up. How it looked directly out of the box. Now let's take them out the bag and see what's underneath this paper. And then I give y'all what I rated. I don't want to break any leaves. Let me angle this down. Okay. They are super duper young. Whatever they are. I haven't found out yet. Haven't looked at the paper yet. But before I find out what they are, let's check it out. Oh, it's tape. They got tape on here. Like some paper tape. That one looks good. I don't have no extra special work to do with that one. This number 2. I hope these are the same thing because they're not marked or anything. But I didn't know I bought this many of them. Must hit the button, the quantity button one too many times. And ain't realize it. But that's okay. The more the merrier. This is definitely a different type. Definitely a different type. Those leaves are definitely... but it's broke. Look at that, y'all. It was broken in the bag. Oh, well. It's broken. It lost about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. But that's okay. It'll go back. Let me give you a close-up. Well, let me open it first. I don't know what these 2 could be. Check out these leaves. The soil is perfect. The leaves nice and green. This one right here it got broken inside the bag, inside the box. But it'll grow back and it might even get more shoots. I was just talking about that with my papaya tree outside. The side of the soil is nice. Look at that. Inside of the soil. That's nice little leaf. This right here, I think it's mulberry. If it's mulberry, it can lose its leaves and they come back. So this is perfectly fine. Here's a description. Pineapple guava 2-pack. And it's a dwarf mulberry tree 2-pack. But I got two. This one got to be the pineapple guava, the 2-pack. That broke, but that's fine. And these got to be the dwarf mulberries. They obviously the same thing. I guess because this one was looking a little bad with the leaves. They're not evergreen anyway. They grow their leaves back. They gave me an extra. So I got 4 for the price of 2. It's a from 9 green box. Mulberry, dwarf mulberries. Y'all seen that there in one of my videos where I have the dwarf mulberry already in the pot. I'm going to put these ones in the ground so I can see how it's going to work. I also had showed the unboxing of the Pakistani mulberry. It's still doing very well. I'm going to do an update on that. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe and hit that bell button. And this going to be added to my guava selection, which I don't know what all types I have in that because I didn't even think to keep the tags. But I know they different types, but I don't know what type it is. But I do know the type of this one, pineapple guava. So for these, I'm going to give it a 9 only because the leaves could be perfect. From perfect, but it regrows its leaves back. That's the reason why I'm giving it a 9. But the soil and the medium and everything inside of here looks perfect. So it's gonna have a 9. This one right here, the yellow guava, I'm gonna give it a 10. Nice soil, nice green leaves. This one right here, I'm gonna give it a 8. Only because this was broken. But it'll grow back. So it's okay. So we have a 9 right here, a 10 right here, and an 8 right here. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this video. I love each and every one of you. And I'm gonna see you later.